So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to perform a firmware update on your DREAME Aqua10 roller. To do it, click on three dots in top right corner, then click on Firmware Update. Now, if there is an update available, click on Update Now and wait a little moment. It'll take a little moment to update. Later on, it'll restart the robot, and once it's all done, it'll tell you that. So, I'll get back to you when it's done. Okay, as you can see, now it is restarting the robot to install the update. So it'll take a little longer. It'll restart the robot. And now it is done. By the way, if you'd like to enable automatic updates so you don't need to do that manually, you can enable it right here. And when an update is available, it'll automatically install it on the robot between 2 AM to 6 AM. Now let's click on confirm, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.